Struggling with a Sonos Move speaker that won't turn on? I'm here to help with some effective troubleshooting steps that can resolve this annoying issue. Many users face this challenge, and it can disrupt your listening experience. Today, I'll go through some simple methods to hopefully get your speaker functioning again. Let's dive into the solutions. First, let's focus on some basic troubleshooting steps. Often, problems with the Sonos Move not turning on are linked to how the device is being charged. Let's break down what you can check to fix this. First, examine the charging cable. Cables can sometimes become damaged or wear out, which stops them from effectively charging the speaker. If you suspect the cable is the issue, try using a different one to see if that solves the problem. Next, check the power outlet. It's possible the outlet itself isn't providing power. Try plugging your speaker into a different outlet to make sure the issue isn't with your power source. Lastly, take a look at the charging port on your speaker. Dust and debris can accumulate and block the connection. Gently cleaning the port with a soft brush or a can of compressed air can remove any blockages and help restore the connection. Addressing these points should help you identify the problem and get your Sonos Move back to working condition. Now, let's make sure your Sonos Move's battery is properly charged. First, place the speaker on the charging base, ensuring the contacts on the speaker and base align perfectly and are clean. Use a dry, soft cloth to wipe any dirt or debris off the contacts. If your Sonos Move still won't turn on, try using a USB-C cable connected to the port located on the back of the speaker above the charging contacts. Make sure the USB-C cable is fully inserted into your speaker and a compatible power source. The ideal power adapter should be a USB-C PD charger, outputting at least 45 watts. You can use a 36-watt charger for slower charging. This step helps ensure that the issue isn't with your charging ring providing insufficient power. If your Sonos Move still isn't responding, it might be time to consider a factory reset. This step is crucial as it returns your speaker to its original settings, which can resolve more persistent software issues. To start, make sure your speaker is off and not connected to its charger. This ensures a smooth reset process. Begin by pressing and holding the power button located on the back of the Move for about 5 seconds to power it off completely. Once off, press and hold the join button. While holding this button, place your Move back onto its charging base. Continue to hold the join button until you see the light on top of the speaker start flashing orange and white, indicating that the reset process is underway. Keep holding until the light flashes green, which means the reset is complete. If a factory reset doesn't solve the issue, you can try these steps to restore power to your Sonos Move. Begin by placing your Sonos Move on the charging cradle, ensuring it's properly aligned. Hold down the power button for 30 seconds to initiate a system reset. Briefly remove the speaker from the cradle, then place it back on. If the status light begins to flash white continuously, take it off the cradle again. Continue holding the power button until the flashing stops, then place it back on the cradle and wait for it to reconnect. Alternatively, you can try this method. With the Move off the cradle, hold the power button for about 20 seconds. While still holding the button, place the speaker back on the cradle and continue to hold the power button for another 20 seconds. Watch for the orange light to illuminate and remain steady. That's it for the video. I hope these steps helped you solve the issue with your Sonos Move not turning on. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more useful tech tips. Also, if you have any questions or additional tips that worked for you, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.